This video will be a basic overview of the Bushnell Ballistics app. So I'll open up the app. The first screen that we come to is the reticle, underneath the Solutions tab at the bottom. Also underneath this is Targets and Range Card. Next we'll jump to the Profile, which is at the bottom in the center. This is where you can choose your scope and enter in your ballistics data. Lastly, we'll select the environment on the far right bottom. This is where you can enter in the environmental data either manually or have it automatically programmed. Also, underneath the profiles, the three dots at the top will give you your user settings, where you can adjust multiple settings for the best output that meets your needs. Lastly, the profile is where you would select your gun profile and use your Bluetooth to connect to your rangefinder.